Okay, y'all, we are coming into Childress, Texas at this Phillips 66 because they have a car wash in the back that's worth checking out. Is he blocking off one of the lanes? Or is he just, I don't know. Oh. Maybe he works here? I actually have no idea. No, I think he's scrubbing his car there. Okay.
Please select a wash package.
Oh boy, the thing plays music. Great, there goes my monetization. I've never heard a pay station play music before. I'm a bit far from the thing. Oh yeah, maybe that was it. Since when does a pay station play music? Report wash 4 for 15? What is that?
Please select the payment.
Okay, I can't do quarters.
Please insert money.
Alright. Gonna take a while.
Do you want a printed receipt? The wash is currently busy. Please wait.
Alright. I was able to successfully put in 60 quarters. I think that might be the most amount of quarters I put in for a wash, but I don't know why this plays music. I've never seen a pay station play music before. But yeah, we have a rainbow tandem. Sweet. You're ready to go. When the machine decides. It's not spinning on this side, but it is on the other side. I'll reach my camera. Nice long bay, at least. Okay, the thing's being picky. What if I back up slightly? Okay. I guess this is supposed to be soap or a bug prep. It looks just like water though. Uh-oh. That might be, it's supposed to be pre-soak, but that's also water. Man, I'm glad I found all those extra quarters. Jeez. Just like rammed it into the front of my car. I don't like this. Man, this thing sounds abnormally aggressive. And where's the soap? PDQ stuff does. The new PDQ stuff just does not age very well. There's a crack in the gantry up there as well. Focus doesn't want to make up its mind. There's no soap. Well, I think my car is gonna look worse when this is done. I think I see little dirt specks on my window now. So I'm like, great. Instead of a car wash, this, what would you call this? A car dirt? Once again, I apologize for the crappy video because I have all this stuff in the back, so I can't really see. Look how, okay, look how dirty that what my window is. This is literally a car dirt, not a car wash. And this was the top wash. No soap. Absolutely no soap. I wonder if the wheels have any chemical or soap or what, anything. Well, okay, at least there's dry foam. I think with those brushes out at the entrance, I think you can like prep the car yourself, is what I picked up on. I saw a couple other people doing it. And yeah, only one of those blasters work. Only the one on the right. I think our spot free and flash drag coming up. nice, another pass. Well, I think my car will at least come out okay because of the tri-foam, and the second drying pass is certainly welcome. Car looks pretty dry though, at least. I just gotta flip out my mirror. I'll probably park as well. Second bay is exactly the same thing, so. Okay, so let's drive through. How you doing? Yeah. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.